Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of videos related to hauls and related to reviews. Under hauls I do have videos for makeup, skincare, hair care, like accessories, you name it, and mostly I have it. And under review section I do have lot of reviews for makeup, skincare, as well as lot of other products reviews as well. And each and every product, like each and every video is segregated under different playlists. So if you are looking out for some particular new launch videos, then definitely head towards the new launch video playlist. Just go to it, you will find all the new launches in that, all the new launch videos in that. Alright, and if this is what you are looking out for, then yes, you are at the right place. Please take out a moment and consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since this is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to directly send me any message, that is, you don't want to comment under comment section and you want me to DM, like you want to DM me, then definitely you can check my Instagram link also will be there in the description box. So you can send me DM on Instagram as well. Now does it happen with you sometimes that you get confused, like you see lot of lipstick ranges and you get confused which one to buy and which one not to buy? Of course, the two lipstick range which I am going to talk about, it's not definitely recent launch, like not new launch, but it is pretty recent launch you can say, and it is exclusively available on purplle.com. Now the lipsticks which I am going to talk about is, one is from this is a Stay Quirky Love Beaten lipstick pencil. Okay, this is the fun lipstick, and I'm going to compare it basically with this NYBay Skyline Kissin lipstick pencil. Right, now you will say ki Meghna, on purplle.com you can find lot of lipstick, then why this? Then you can check the name, this both are like lipstick pencil. Okay, they are not exactly our normal bullet lipstick. These are basically lipstick pencil. That is the lipstick, it comes in the pencil form. You all must be aware about each and everything for this. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to basically, when I was like buying the products, I got confused which one to buy and which one not to buy. So what I did is, I bought one this and one this. Already one individual review of this is already up on my channel. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So you can go ahead and you can check that video if you want to see the individual review of this Stay Quirky Love Beaten lipstick. But if you want to see the comparison, because I have not reviewed individually this particular range, so not exactly range, I have one shade only, because see, if I'll get the whole range then it is going to be useless, because I get so many lipsticks and so many products to review. And if I'll buy, because each and every, this both the ranges have 15 shades in each, so you all can see it's like going to be 30 lipsticks, and already my lipstick count is like crossing the limit. So that is why I have not got like all the 15 shades. So I got one shade for this and one shade from this. So at least smudge proof and all that test we can easily make out. Right, this is NYBay. I have not individually reviewed this, so I'm going to review this as well as going to compare this. Okay, it is the NYBay Skyline Kissin lipstick pencil. It comes in this kind of normal silver packaging. When you flip the packaging, on one side they have given you the detail that is long lasting, infused with vitamin E, intense pigmentation, single stroke application, enriched with organic coconut oil, and comfortable to wear. That is what is written on this packaging. The lipstick which I am wearing right now is this Stay Quirky one Love Beaten lipstick. Okay, the shade which I have is Wedding Night shade number 1. You can see over here. Okay, this is the shade. And in NYBay, the shade which I got, I'll just tell you the shade name so that you will be aware. It is Wall Street Skyline Kissin shade number 5. Okay, 5 in this and shade number 1 in this. Now what we will do is, we will just compare the packaging. The Stay Quirky comes in this kind of quirky packaging as the name suggests. NYBay comes in this kind of silver packaging. Okay, on the Stay Quirky, the shade name is printed, that is, it is already there on the packaging itself. Whereas on the NYBay, the shade name is not printed, it is, they have given a sticker. And the sticker is, you all can see, it is like just on the one leg or something, and it is like, it can be removed anytime. You all can see. Okay, it is the sticker what they have given. A print name is not printed. All the other details are clearly mentioned on the packaging, that is the manufacturing, MRP, the quantity and everything on the both. Now what we will do, I will just tell you about both the things. This NYBay Love Beaten lipstick range comes in 15 shades. Even this comes in 15 shades. Okay, this NYBay contains 1.5 grams, whereas the Stay Quirky one contains 2.1 gram. This both doesn't come with any kind of sharpener. You have to use your own sharpener. Okay, packaging, as I've told you, this comes with the name printed and this comes with the name sticked, that is the sticker. Both the ranges have 15 shades in each. Alright, both are wooden pencils. Yes, both are wooden pencils. The MRP of this NYBay one is 185 rupees, whereas the MRP for the Stay Quirky one is 259 rupees. But during sale times you can find both these brands and as well as both these range on huge discount, and if not on like offers also, there is no sale also, then too you can find these products on huge discount. And on top of it is, if you will use my coupon code, you will get some more discount. So that coupon code I'll be mentioning in the description box, as well as it will be pinned in the comment section. So you can go ahead, you can use that code, you will get some more discount on your order, as well as the buying link will be pinned in the comment section, so you can check the same as well. Alright, now the specific, that is the specifications what this particular is. This is cruelty free, vegan, organic, paraben free, as well as a toxicity free. Alright, this is what they claim. Whereas this one claims it is cruelty free, organic, paraben free, toxicity free and vegan, and this gives you matte finish, that is what they say. But you all can see right now, I cannot actually make out is it totally matte or something. It is like normal, it's not pure matte and it is not total glossy also, but like somewhat in between the finishing is there. Alright, now I'll just show you the inside packaging, because till now I have not shown you. This is the NYBay one. I'll just remove the cap. Okay, this is the lipstick. What you are going to get is 1.5 gram. The active ingredient in this is coconut oil, as well as in Stay Quirky also it is coconut oil. The shelf life is also same for both the lipstick, almost for 4 years. Okay, this is what the NYBay lipstick looks like. Each and every details they have given, the MRP, the net content, as well as the manufacturing and expiry. You can see over here, you all can check, it is given over here. It comes in black matte finishing, as well as bottom is color coded, and you all can see bottom is color coded. Right, it comes with the black cap. Okay, the cap looks like this. You have to just like, then the total size is this much. Okay, you all can see it is a little bit bigger than, of course, if you remove the cap, then it is little bit bigger than my pinky finger. You all can see. So this much is the quantity what you get for NYBay. Now for Stay Quirky, if you check, this is the net quantity. Like this is the bullet, not bullet, this is the lipstick pencil. Okay, in this also they have given you each and every detail. It is made in Italy. The quantity is given, the manufacturing, expiry, the net content, MRP, everything is given. So if you want to throw away the packaging, you can easily throw away the packaging. There is no harm. You can keep the pencil only. Even the bottom of this also is color coded. Right, now if you will check side by side comparison, you all can see. Right, you all can see the size. It is, you can say, almost NYBay one is the half of this particular, whereas the quantity difference is, this is 2.1 and this is 1.5 grams. So I don't know why it looks like this, but then still this is the actual thing. Now if you will like, we will just check the Stay Quirky one, then after that I will like apply this also and I'll show you how it looks. I'll just apply the shade so that we can see the kiss proof test. Right now what I have applied, as I told you, is SQ lipstick, that is Stay Quirky. This is my hand, there is nothing. We will just check. You can see it is getting transferred. Though it is getting transferred, but the pigmentation on the lips is like intact. It is not like, not exactly much faded, little bit lighter but not much. So I think Stay Quirky one is good one, but definitely it is not kiss proof lipstick. So if you are looking out for some kiss proof lipstick which will not transfer on your marks, then definitely this one are not the ranges for you. You can definitely go for some other liquid lipsticks which are matte and which are transfer proof. Now what I'll do is I'll just remove this and I'll just apply this so that you will come to know. Okay. Yes, now you can see right now I have applied the NY Bay1. Of course, it is a little bit darker shade what I went for, because I was pretty confused which shade to go for. That is why I was not having any this kind of shade. So I was like, let's try. Okay, so this is the NY Bay1. Now I'll do the kiss proof test over here. Okay. Even this is transferring. Of course, it is understood because this is a lipstick pencil. It is going to transfer. So these are not mask proof. Definitely, if you are going to wear mask, definitely no. And of course, we are going to wear right now mask. So for the mask situation, no. But keeping the price factor in mind and keeping the shade ranges and everything in mind, if you will ask my opinion, then definitely you can go for NY Bay1, because come on, let's be frank, nobody is going to finish the full lipstick. At least I am not, because I have almost like lot of lipstick. I will not say the number, otherwise my husband will not give me money to buy more. Okay, because he doesn't know how many lipsticks I have. So if you are like on budget and if you want to have little lesser quantity but you want to have more shades, then definitely you can go for NY Bay1, because almost each and everything is similar except the price point and the net content. So keeping that things aside, rest all things are mostly same. So definitely you can go for NY Bay1. For my side, it is yes, you can go. And if you want to like have lipsticks for more time, like you can use it and your usage is more frequent and you think you can finish it off pretty soon, then definitely you can go for Stay Quirky one, because in this you get little more quantity and you are going to pay little more as well. So yeah, I think I have covered up each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely don't forget to comment down in the comment section, as well as if you have any other video suggestions on which you want me to make a video on, that also you can leave in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And yeah, if you're watching till here, please don't forget to like and share the video. If possible, don't forget to subscribe also. Please, it's a request. Do subscribe. Do consider subscribing my channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.